What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you the fourth exercise, that is we have to print patterns. And first of all I'll make a Python file in order to show you. So this Python file I'll name it as exercise 4, and after that I'll write the heading, that is the name of this exercise, that is printing patterns. So in this exercise you basically have to print patterns, but I'll tell you the step-by-step procedure that what you have to do in this exercise. So first of all you will have to create a variable and name it whatever you like, and in this variable you have to take an input from the user and store it. So you have to put input an integer from the user, that is the user will have to input any integer, and after that you need to make another integer and name it as boolean. So in this integer right here you have to again take an input from the user, and you have to specify the user to enter only 0 or 1. So this integer right here boolean, it will only take 0 or 1, and n integer can take anything. So you have to input two integers from the user, and you have to print a pyramid that if the boolean variable right here, if it is equal to 0, and if for example n is equal to 4, I'm just making a number, so for example n is equal to 4, you have to print this pattern right here. So star 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 and then star star star, and after that star 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 star, and I'll comment this out. So you have to print this pattern right here in the console with the help of for example loops, and I'm giving you a spoiler alert right here that you can print this pattern with the help of loops. And if the boolean is 0, you have to print this pattern right here in this direction. And for example if n is equal to 5, you will have to print a pattern star 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 star. So this is the pattern that you have to print if n is equal to 5, but if it is 4 you have to print this pyramid right here. So I hope you understood what n stands for. N is basically the number of rows in the pyramid. So for example if n is 1, then the number of rows will be 1, and it will only print this one star right here. But if it is 4, it will print a pyramid with 4 rows. So I hope you understood what n and boolean stands for. And for example if the boolean is equal to 1, and if n is equal to 5, then you have to print this pattern in this direction, that is star 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 star, and after that star 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 and star star star. So you have to print a pyramid in this pattern right here, and n basically stands for the number of rows in this case as well. So when boolean is equal to 0, you have to print a pyramid in the up direction, but if n is equal to 1, you have to print the pyramid in the downward direction. So this is what you have to do in this exercise. You basically have to create if else statements, and I won't be giving you any more hints because I think so I've given enough hints that you need to use for loops and everything. So I'm just going to keep my mouth shut at the moment, and I'm just going to end this video right here. And if you guys have any doubts, you can write that down in the comment section below, and I hope that you guys understood this exercise. So I'll quickly go over what you have to do in this exercise. First of all, you need to take an integer from the user, that will be the number of rows of the pyramid. Then after that you need to take another input from the user, and that should be 1 or 0. And if the boolean is 0 and for example n is equal to 4, you need to print a pyramid like this in the upward direction. But if the boolean is 1 and if n is equal to 5 for example, then you have to print the pyramid in the downward direction. So I hope that you guys understood this question, and please write down your answers in the comment section below on this video, and an answer video should be coming soon. So the ones who will be writing their answers first will be the winners of this solution, and I'll give them shout outs as well. I couldn't give shout outs to them in the previous videos because there were no answers in the comment section below, but I hope that the people who are watching this playlist, and the people who are not watching from this playlist, the link is in the description, And for the people who are watching in this playlist, I hope that you solve this exercise, because this is a really good for loop and if else statement exercise. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you are all safe, and I'll see you next time.